Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everybody? I'm O'Prius, and welcome to another video about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, BitConnect, altcoins, and all that good stuff. Taking a look now at the market cap, let's take a look at Bitcoin, go through the motions, shall we, in the past day. Yesterday it was at like 8,300, and looks like it's kind of peaking up. I think it was like 8,338, so it looks like it's kind of peaking up and breaking an all-time high and doing its thing, so good job, Bitcoin. Going into my BitConnect real quick, I'm just shy of a reinvest. Looks like I will be there soon. Pull up the lending wallet here. If you guys are watching this and you haven't jumped in on BitConnect, it's a great opportunity. That's all I'm going to say. Invest what you can afford. Invest what you're not. Invest what you're willing to risk if there's any issue that happens. But I mean, I'm 4 days away from a month on BitConnect, and I started this as an investigation, an experiment to see if it was a scam, but I am really believing heavily in BitConnect. I'm doing great. I'm very happy with the results. I'm very happy with the returns. It's fun to watch the market. It's helping me learn a lot about cryptocurrency, even though I focus mainly on like Bitcoin and BitConnect. I'm able to open my mind up even more and look at other things I haven't before. So the link to sign up is below. I recommend definitely jumping on. With Bitcoin trekking along as it is, it looks like BitConnect's going to have some rough couple of days under that 1% threshold, which isn't too bad because we still see great days like here, here, and here. So that's not the worst. Let's get into what I want to talk about in this video, and it's Bitcoin versus altcoins. Someone had left a comment on one of my videos about, oh, you're dumb for doing BitConnect. You should just buy Bitcoin and let it sit, or, dumb for looking at altcoins. Just buy Bitcoin and let it sit. I kind of sort of agree with that philosophy because of how much Bitcoin is going up, but there's also a lot of fun with these altcoins as well. Let me pull up, my one favorite that I always like to talk about, and that's Ripple. Let's see how we're doing today. So yes, it might be smarter if you just buy Bitcoin and hold it, but all right, I'll go through that example here in a minute. I'm just looking at Ripple. We're looking at around 24 cents. Like, Ripple's such a fun coin. I might buy back into it. I used to day trade it, and, look like I'd buy it at 20 or 4,700 Satoshi, sell it at 5, buy it at 47, sell it at 5. And that was fun. And, I started with like $5, got to 40 bucks doing that. I haven't followed Ripple in the past like month. Like, I dropped off when I cashed out on Ripple, but I talk about Ripple so much. It's what got me into cryptocurrency. It's what I learned from. But let's talk back to my original point about buying like $100 in Bitcoin or something along that line. Oh, I have Bitcoin Gold? What? Okay. That's new to me. I barely have any. But I'm going to pull up this coin, for example. I'm going to pull up Gold coin. Gold coin's fun because let's look at it this way. If I could spend $100 on Bitcoin, I would only have a very, 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 very small fraction of that Bitcoin, right? They're really not a lot here. But let's look at gold coin. Let's look at what we're looking at here. I do have some gold coin. It's a coin that I'll be talking more about, and I'm actually starting to mine it, and I will be talking more about gold coin. But let's take a look at gold coin, okay? And we're going to use that number of $100. Let me actually use the calculator here. We'll use it on screen so that way you guys can see it. If you're interested in like investing or you're coin collecting or you're growing, $100 in Bitcoin will just leave $100, and if Bitcoin jumps up $1,000, I think you'd gain $1 or $10 off it. I'm not sure of the math, correct me below. But look at this coin, right? It's at about all-time high today of 17 cents, all-time low of 15 cents. So if I bought $100 worth of this and I divided it by 15 cents, I'd have, let's do this. Let's do $101 of this, and we're going to divide that by 15 cents. All right, so I'd have 673 coins, right? Now, if those coins ever jumped up a penny, or let's say this coin started in June at like 1 penny and now it's up to 15 cents. So let's say, what is it, June in 5 months? So another 5 months from now, this coin jumps up to 30 cents. My $100 is now $202. Like that's I feel that's a better jump. That's a better investment. That's why altcoins, I think, are good. Also altcoins offer different technologies. They offer different like programs. They have different developers. They have different insights. People have different outlooks on cryptocurrency, and it's really fun to learn what some of these coins stand for and what their bases are. Like for example, Ripple. It's a coin that is centralized because it's big on international bank money transfers without the fees. Like that's a cool read. I'm not a banker or anything, but I liked learning about those transactions and how much those cost. I read an article where Goldcoin became the number two most popular cryptocurrency in India because India has a culture that likes gold, right? And they're looking at this as digital gold. So that was a fun read for me. So this is definitely a fun coin to also look out for as an altcoin. And I do have a couple other ones that I am just peeking my head into. I'm not really jumping in. Even if you're a day trader, this gold coin here goes down a little bit, goes up a little bit, goes down. Like there's great entry points and there's great leaving points. So even if it's like down half a cent and then goes up half a cent and you have 100 coins, you still can take profit and rinse and repeat throughout the day. Like look at the trend. Yeah, it's on a down move, but look at the trend here. So that's some fun. The last thing that really kind of drives me nuts in the battle between Bitcoin and altcoins is this right here, right? I wish there was an exchange that didn't show me the Satoshi value in Bitcoin. I know that Bitcoin's the Big Mac Daddy and everything's kind of based off of Bitcoin and that's the value, but I wish there was an exchange where I can just go on with like USD and day trade or crypto purchase with USD and not look at the Satoshi. Now, being a newer Bitcoin, I started in August, but being newer, sometimes when you look at a coin and you look at its value, the Satoshi might be dropping, but it still stays at that 15 cents. Like as Bitcoin's going up, the Satoshi's going down, and that could be very confusing to somebody. But if they just sat there and saw that the coin was always worth 15 cents, or then Bitcoin goes up, and then so their coin's worth 16 cents, it might not be as confusing. So that's just a little something that I find a little weird as well. It's not a huge deal, but anyway. Anywho, that's kind of my stance on Bitcoin and altcoins. And we're going to talk more about altcoins and kind of branch away from just the 100% BitConnect video. Shout out to the BitHub. You guys are seeing this in every one of my videos. This is a phenomenal group that shows some great support. If you're on BitConnect and you want to look for a referral, and you want a referral or join a chain group and join a successful group, that's the BitConnect. Today we're at 127. Yesterday we're at 124. And these are active investors. These are people that get put under you as a referral. You get one at a time. You've seen my referral tree. And these are active investors that help you be successful, right? So you've seen this in a couple of videos. This referral tree right here, this chain is the BitConnect, the BitHub. All right. It's not that they're giving me 6 people under me directly. They're chaining, they're layering, and that's going to help us all be successful, which really makes me happy. Last but not least, let's do the gamble. You guys know that I'm promoting this here. The reason why, it's an easy way to earn free Satoshi. The more people that sign up using the link below and join my referral team, the more, I got 14, yesterday was 13, that's awesome. So the more that they sign up, the more that it's going to pay my Bitcoin, and this is low right now because no one's being active this week, but usually the activity picks up later. It gives more activity to my Bitcoin wallet, and then every Sunday it's going to share out 80% of that to the most active players. So this person right here is very active. They're going to get pretty much most of it because everyone else is not being that active this week. So make sure you use the link below. The more people we get on, the more we're going to open this faucet up, right? And when you open a faucet up, more stuff flows out, which is awesome. Just so I can be cool like all the other YouTubers, I'm going to give away 100 Satoshi to 14 people. Haha! I'm not rich or I'm not loaded, but that's just, there you go, everybody. I'm sharing with you guys. So once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm Oprius, and please subscribe. Please leave a like. Please comment on the video. Please, either say something nasty that I'm an idiot or I'm super smart or I'm really cool or great job on your No Shave November. I'm just kidding. But please subscribe, guys. I have a goal to hit 200 subscribers. I had a goal to hit 150 on Sunday, and I blasted past that, and I feel so good. So thank you very much for listening to me talk. Thank you for making me a part of your daily routine. I'll see you guys next time.